Hey there. So I was requested to do a close-up video of our clear bra that was installed on the Model 3 and how it looks like up close. So we're currently in the garage and I'll demonstrate this also outside in the sunlight at the end of the video. But I wanted to show how this actually looks like if you're, let's say for example, parking in a structure or under fluorescent light at night in a parking lot. You can't hardly tell that you have a clear bra installed. Even with the recording here, if you guys can spot it or not, it's actually a partial clear bra. So it only goes up to about 2/5 of the front here. And let me angle the camera a certain way so you actually can see it now. The car is a little bit dirty, so it does show where the creases are of where the clear bra ends. And we choose Suntek for this particular reason. Is the clearest clear bra you can get that blends into the clear coat. And with other such as Expel, there's some orange peel look to it. 3M, I heard that it fades over time, although they have a new warranty up to 10 years, so we'll see how that film lasts. We went with them for the protection from rocks, debris, mud, dirt, or whatever. We take a lot of road trip and we have over 5,500 miles already, and not a single rock chip has penetrated the film. The film is self-healing, so with light rock chip or scratches, it does heal itself in heat or hot water being poured over it. So you can see there's no crease along any of these edges because it's a signature wrap, so the installer wrapped and tucked the film into the crease here. So definitely go with that look if you can, and if your installer has the experience to do so, I would highly suggest that versus just having it pre-cut and not wrap into the edges. Okay, so let's pull this Model 3 out into the sunlight and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the 3 with the clear bra outside with sunlight hitting it. And I can tell you one thing, I can't even see it with the camera or without the camera. And if I didn't put my finger over it, I wouldn't even know where the line starts. So here's the crease where the clear bra ends. Not sure if you guys can see that, but I'm going to zoom that in. Let me take a few more angles so you guys can see if you guys can identify where the crease of the clear bra ends. So it's actually right here. Well, hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe and catch you guys next time.